Alright, welcome back to this paper, and the next problem that we have, we're going to go ahead and solve orange. So I'm going to lay out the pieces for orange. So that we can put them in the proper places. Okay, so we have a lot of pieces here. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and record my problem. So we have 5 plus 3 parentheses 8 divided by 2 parentheses. Okay, and again, since this is new for us, we're going to go ahead and record our steps, GMA, over here to the side. So whenever I'm solving for GMA, I want to first survey my problem and look for those grouping symbols. So I see that I have a grouping symbol right here. So this will be the part that I solve first. So I think to myself, what is 8 divided by 2? And 8 divided by 2 is going to give me the number 4. So I'm going to look at all my choices, and I see the number 4 here. So I'm going to put the number 4 right underneath, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop the other pieces into place. So the 3 will be relocated, and the plus and the 5 will be relocated, just like so. Okay? Now I have to think to myself, are there any more grouping symbols? There are really no more grouping symbols, because when I see the 4 in parentheses like this, that means multiply. So really, I'm moving to multiplicative actions. And I see an adding sign and multiply. So, of course, multiplying comes before adding, because that is the next step. So I think to myself, what is 3 times 4? And 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to move my pieces like so. And that means that I'm going to drop the adding symbol and the number 5. So I'm going to put those pieces over here. So now that I've done groupings, I've done multiplicative, the only thing left is the additive actions, and that means that we're going to take our number 5 and add it to the number 12, and we get the answer 17. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these pieces over so I can record them on my paper, just like we've moved them around, just like this. And I'm going to record those. So when we divided first, we got 4, and we put that in parentheses to show that it is the number 4, not the number 34. We're going to drop our adding symbol, and we're going to drop our number 5. The next thing that we solved was the multiplicative action, so I'm going to underline that. And I'm going to record that because we got the answer 12 here. We dropped the adding symbol and we dropped the number 5. Remember, the order is not changing. Things just slide down into place. And now finally we're going to be adding. That is our last step. And so when we add 5 to 12, we get the number 17. Box that in, and I'll see you back for the next piece, which is green.